morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. So I'm going to be gone. That's not a secret. There should be like a message here on the board of what you're working on today, or checking out the video, which we've already talked about. But anyway, for today, the biggest things: A, check your grades in Power School. If you have a question on those, email me and I can help you with that. I can fix it now. It's going to be a lot harder to fix it next week. 1, 2. Our assignment today is the role of color for bridges. So a lot of times when a bridge is constructed, especially currently, they add LED lighting that can be changed of what the color is. So if you think of like colors for Halloween, maybe purple and orange and black, that might be an example of some Halloween colors that you can make a bridge. Now, for the assignment today, so after you write your agenda, after you check your grades, the assignment. So we're going to hop over to Schoology, and in Schoology, we are looking at assignment 10. What you're going to do is you're going to create a bridge that has a color theme. So we open this up, spin, spin, spin. It's going to open to here. Now, role of light on bridges. How can color be used to create a theme of a bridge? So right here, this is the 35W bridge illuminated in green, which corresponds with US Bank Stadium, also in green, and a couple of the buildings downtown, also in green. And that was lit up green for St. Patrick's Day. Now, here's 2 more articles that kind of highlight the colors that can be used for the different bridges, 4 different bridges in downtown Minneapolis. So when I click on this link right here, who decides when the I-35W bridge is lit in color? How is it done? So you can actually request the bridge to be illuminated for different various things. This is the image that I just showed you right here, and that was St. Patrick's Day. This is a rainbow theme here, and this is to for the victims of the massacre of a nightclub shooting in 2016. And if we go ahead to the next one, this is purple. This is anniversary of the death of Prince. He was an iconic Minneapolis musician. Advertisement. Orange, this one is in support or awareness of gun violence. Not support at all, but in awareness of gun violence. This one right here is in support of Veterans Day. Red, white, and blue. Let's see. This is not 35W. This is a different bridge downtown. This is blue to honor healthcare providers and essential workers in 2020. So I just want to highlight that the bridges can be changed in their appearance of their color to kind of like draw attention to different like events or current things that are going on. In the Super Bowl is here, they changed the bridge color for that, which is what this article talks about here. Red is when they were about to score. I think this is supposed to be a reference to the Northern Lights. This is a reference to each of the 2 teams that were playing here that year. So again, the color of the bridge can play a role in showing support for a community or a group. So, role of light and color, role of light in our bridges. So that is the article. I don't know how that ended up there, but describe how light could be used to bring attention to an event, cause, or community when illuminating a structure or a bridge. So that, I just want you to respond to that. How could you do that? What we're going to do in class is the following. A, here is a bridge that I created using Google Draw to represent the theme of the Hulk, purple and green. Hulk's not my favorite character, but you know. So, 5 and 6, I want you to design 2 bridges. This one in theme of a Disney inspiration. Could be a Disney character, a Disney movie, really anything Disney. And I'll be honest, if you pick something outside of Disney, that's fine too. Obviously I did Marvel, Disney sub-brand, just pointing that out. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link and you're going to make a copy of the assignment. So make a copy. Now, after your copy is made, here's my example and picture of a Disney character here and a picture of your bridge below. So I'm going to go hop into and grab a character. Anyone have any suggestions for a Disney character? Oh, did you say Mickey Mouse? Got you. So I'm going to go over to here, search the web, Mickey Mouse, Mickey, mouse. Now, there's Mickey, and I'm going to click to add, insert, and there's going to be a picture of Mickey Mouse. I'm going to shrink that down. I don't need the whole thing. But I'm going to create a bridge with the theme or inspiration of Mickey Mouse. So main colors here, red, yellow, black. So to make my bridge, this is where kids are kind of having problems today. Step one, I have my line tool. I want to draw a line. So I'm going to draw an outline of my bridge. Now, right now, this line is very thin. I want it thicker so it's like easier to see. So it's currently highlighted. I'm going to go to line thickness. I'm going to drop that up to, or increase that up to 8. That's pretty thick, actually. So I have a thickness of 8 there. It's still at 8. Now I'm just going to add another line. And it's there. It's good. Click it over to here. Good. Down to there. Awesome. Now, I have the black effect there. And you could do one of two things. You could either A, draw the bridge, then change the colors, or you could kind of change it as you go. So if I wanted to create a simple theme here of the truss bridge, I want to switch my color over to red or yellow. So right here, I have my eyedropper line color tool. Click. Right now I'm on black. Now I want to pick up a custom color, and you could just guess and get like yellow and red too. But I'm going to mouse over here, no pun intended. Click on orange, yellow, and it changed that line right there. That's fine. But now I'm going to go from here and draw some more lines of my bridge. Yes, it's working. So down, up. Okay. Now I want to get some of that red. So I'm going to do the same thing. Now this one's highlighted. So if I do it now, that's going to turn red. I don't want that to turn red. Click. There we go. Line color. It wants me to do a border color. Line. Delete that one I just picked. Here, it wants me to draw it before I pick the color down and then back up. So now one thing I'm showing you right now, I have these two lines. I want to do them both at the same time. So I'm going to hold shift on my Chromebook or my computer. I'm going to click it. It keeps wanting to think I'm going to add a new one. Shift. Click right in the middle. There we go. Now it has both of those lines selected. I'm going to go color thickness. I'm going to switch this. Oh, that's the pickup tool. Pick up my color red right there. Now I need to make it thicker so it's easier to see. Size 8. Perfect. And just like that, I have a Mickey Mouse themed bridge. Now, I don't really like this one right here. I'm going to take that, switch that back to black. Bingo. That is perfect. That is it. Now, bonus if you add some eyes. I don't actually care. So, Mickey Mouse, and then I am going to add a little text box that says this bridge is red, yellow, and black like Mickey Mouse. So text box, click. This bridge is yellow, red, red and black. The main Mickey Mouse colors. So there's that. Now I'm going to take a screenshot, which on your Chromebook is Control Shift box line key. The key above, I think the 6 or the 4. Capture that. So screenshot. Got it. And then back to my assignment. What you're going to do is you're going to put that screenshot in there. So I think if you just like go to your dock, it'll be pinned and you can just drag it in actually. You're going to make one more bridge. This could be free choice color design, and that could be anything like colors that are important to your family, colors that are from where your family's from. It could be your favorite colors. It could be colors for your favorite sports team. It could be colors for St. Louis Park. It could be really colors for anything. I mean, a great example of color is just like even this classroom itself. I'm looking around. I see black tabletops. I see orange chairs. SLP colors. So that is what you're working on today is bridge creation. Work on this, submit it when you're done. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, and I will see all of you in the next one. And again, to create your bridge, you're going to use the line tool.